If you want to turn your photos to black and white, then there are a lot of black and white presets that you can select as well. So to do that, when you have a photo opened up over here on the left hand side, you can go to presets right here. And once you go ahead and open that out right here, you will be able to see different presets, just like this, as you can see right here. So now over here, you can see that I have B&W, that is black and white preset. So if I were to hover around, you can see the different black and white effect that is applied onto it. For example, in landscape, you can see that the lands are much more clearer. Like high contrast is much more high contrast. You can go for punch, low contrast right here, flat, and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can simply go ahead and choose the one you want. So let's say I'm going to choose low contrast, and then you can see that these are the black and white parameters that it's set for it. You can simply go around and change out the tone later on as you want as well, just like this, to change the tone of how the black and white photo actually looks. And that is how you can utilize the black and white presets inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.